Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Replace fear with love. Be impeccable with your word. The human mind is like a fertile ground where seeds are continually being planted. When you're impeccable with your word, your mind is no longer a fertile ground for words that come from fear. Your mind is only fertile for the words that come from love. Get rid of the fear, folks. Fear sells, man. That's the real bummer. Fear sells. Say good things, you don't get any business. Say fear things, man, oh man, fear sells. Get rid of it. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. Dow Industrial's down 68, NASDAQ up 16, S&P's flat. Gold contract flat, trading at $18.93 an ounce. Silver up 23 cents, $27.97 an ounce. Light sweet crude off 28 cents, $69.77 a barrel. Notes and bonds. The 10-year note up 9 ticks, trading 133.20. The 30-year up 25 ticks at 160.12. And King Dollar up 41 ticks, trading at 90.118. The euro is trading out here at a price point of 121. The yen is at 109.5, and the British pound is at 141 to 1 U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at it out here. What do you have? You take a look at the SPY. Bottom line, you're laying at highs. You know, we'll see how this shakes out. Bottom line, we get to 423.26 today. 423.74 is the high. You're not backing off it. That says it wants to break topside. NDX 100 also had a monster contraction of volume out here. Market's waiting for the CPI tomorrow. And I think it's going to be a hot CPI myself. So we'll see what the market's going to do about a hot CPI. Bottom line, the Qs are up 52 cents. You're trading out at 337. You know, yesterday we got up to the price point of the 339 at 29. See whether we can make the highs. My take is that, you know, we are going to make these highs. We take a look at the gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract, you get a sideways move out here today. You flat market, you're down 70 cents at this particular point. You got an inside day, 139,000 contracts. I believe we had a really good contract volume yesterday. Let's just take a look at this. So, yeah, it wasn't bad. Yesterday's 174,000. Today's 139. So you don't have big buyers out here today. Silver contract, different ball game. Silver contract, you know, you got some juice inside the silver, and this is always cool when you do. 56,000 contracts. I think we did 74 yesterday. Let's see what we got here. So yesterday we did 70. We did 70,000 yesterday. Now, that is saying the silver contract is pushing higher with juice, okay? That is saying that, guess what? You want to break topside. Notes and bonds. Now, this is a wild one, man, because this is like, are you kidding me? Now, I'm bullish on the note and bond market, and I'm in the context that inflation's here. And I'm still trying to figure this out myself, you know, head-wise, okay, like how does this work? What, we're going to have inflation, prices are going to keep going up, but yet rates are going to keep going down? Well, bottom line, there very well could be that much cash out there that will actually happen. Because check this out. This is what's pretty wild. Well, first off, let's take a look at the 10. The 10 just blew away its swing point of 133.16. You're at 133.20. Bottom line, that's saying that the 10 wants to get all the way up to the 134 to 135 number. Right now, we just broke the 1.50. We're at 1.48 on the 10-year. Big number. And good old King Dollar. We take a look at King Dollar. You get over to King Dollar. That came down to 89.837 today. It rejected lower price. So here's the divergence out here today, which is going to be pretty cool. The way King Dollar was trading, it's like, okay, man, you look like you want to go higher. The way the S&Ps are trading, it's like, okay, you have no juice at the top. Looks like you want to go lower. Bottom line, going to be pretty wild watching how this whole thing shakes out. You know, we're talking about the aspect, you get the good old Reddit traders. Well, guess what? They finally found some of the commodity stocks. Bottom line, what they're out here today, Cleveland Cliffs. They're running this baby, and as I said many times, it's only going to be a matter of time, I think, before they find the gold and silver equities. The reason being is that there is such a small float inside the gold and silver equities, they could run this thing. Well, they're running Cleveland Cliffs today. Now, Cleveland Cliffs has a 11.6% short position. You know, not big, not small, but you can see this is a run. This is strictly a Reddit run, and they're blowing away a swing point. And they get some, let me see this on a weekly, where they get some action. The thing that and this is where what you're going to see, folks, okay, you're going to see changes in the structures of, you know, bottom line, what they're trading, how they're trading it, because the fact of the matter is, just like anything else, these are movable markets. If you happen to be in the metals market, folks, you want to be taking a look at Franco-Nevada. Franco-Nevada is breaking topside out here. Now, this is really cool in general for the metals market. This is what it is. Not quite sure. Someone's coming into Franco-Nevada in a big way. Now, this is a big streamer, okay? The bottom line is that you get 1.1 million shares. You're going into 770,000. That high there is the 154.16. We've hit 154.01. But if you want to see how when you push into a high with expansion of volume, you're going to break that high. And if that's what we do, you're going to see that this is going to be an ABC structure up, and it'll probably bring it to its high. Let me see. 138, 48, 58. So you got 16 points, 45, 55, 65, 61. 161. I think that's probably the high. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, it's 165. So I expect what you're going to see out here is that you're going to see Franco-Nevada go after its highs. That's how this baby is setting up right now. We got to take a look at some of the higher volume equities out here. What you have is that you got AMC is down 470. See, they're dumping AMC. See, what you're going to see happen here, folks, is that the meme stocks are going to change. That's the bottom line. It's going to go from one to the next sector, to the next sector, to the next sector. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.